You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers market news and share trading signals from experts. I'm Yu Chong. First, the US dollar. The dollar recovered on Thursday as a result of positive data, most notably existing home sales, which rose to a 5-year high of 5.48 million versus the 5.25 billion expected. The greenback ended the day 1.3531 to the euro and 99.48 to the yen. Today's data includes commentary on the economy and the monetary policy from Fed's Bullard, George, and Lakota. Next to the euro. The euro rose over on Thursday, or the lack of data meant that this was more as a result of weakness in its counterparts, although it is also true that recent strong sentiment data and upbeat commentary from Mario Draghi have both helped give the euro some underlying strength. The single currency ended the day 1.3531 to the dollar and 134.58 to the yen. Today's data includes Eurozone consumer confidence, which is expected to show a negative 14.5% fall in September. British pound. The pound fell on Thursday after retail sales data came up worse than expected, surprising markets which had expected a strong result, which will have continued the recent strength for the good data. Sterling ended the day 1.6030 to the dollar and 0.8438 to the euro. Today's economic news includes public sector borrowing, which is expected to rise to 11.9 billion in August. Japanese yen. The yen weakened on Thursday after safety flows dry up following the FOMC decisions not to reduce tapering, which helped to dispel concerns that such a reduction in stimulus might cause a slowdown in global economy. The yen ended the day 99.48 to the dollar and 159.41 to the pound. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts of the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.3495 with targets at 1.358 and 1.3615 in extension. The downside penetration of 1.3495, which will call for a slide towards 1.345 and 1.34. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open short positions below 1.611 with targets at 1.597 and 1.588 in extension. The upside breakout of 1.611, which will call for 1.616 and 1.62. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open long positions above 98.6 with targets at 99.6 and 100 in extension. The downside penetration of 98.6, which will call for a slide towards 98.15 and 97.75. Good luck and happy trading. Tune in on Monday for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Yu Chong and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a great weekend.